What's up everybody, we're about to dive into a world of 5-minute crafts, but with a twist. So, we're putting these viral 5-minute crafts to the test. Can you really make a phone stand out of a banana? Will toothpaste actually remove scratches from your car? We're gonna find out. Is it gonna be a win or a massive fail? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's be real for a second. We all know the feeling. We've all been there, scrolling through endless feeds of 5-minute craft videos thinking, I could totally do that, but then reality hits hard. Who actually has a whole afternoon to build a bookshelf out of popsicle sticks, right? It's not as easy as it looks. And then there's the issue of whether these hacks actually work. More often than not, they don't. Like using a banana peel to shine your shoes? Sounds kinda sus. Who even comes up with these ideas? Plus, let's talk about those essential craft supplies. They can be hard to find. Who has a glue gun just lying around? Not many of us, that's for sure. And don't even get me started on epoxy resin, it's a whole other level of complicated. We're talking about hacks you can actually fit into your busy schedule, using stuff you probably already have around the house. No special trips to the store needed. We're talking about those moments when you need a quick fix, like right now. No time to waste, your phone charger keeps falling off the table? Boom, DIY phone stand from a toilet paper roll. Simple and effective. Coffee stain on your shirt? No problem. Baking soda to the rescue. It's a lifesaver. But are these hacks too good to be true? That's the real question. That's what we're here to find out. We're putting these hacks to the test. Get ready for some epic wins, hilarious fails, and everything in between. Let's do this, it's going to be a wild ride. Alright, first up we're tackling a problem as old as time itself. Jars that simply refuse to be opened. We've all been there, right? Struggling and straining, but the lid just won't give. You know the struggle. You're in the kitchen, ready to demolish a jar of pickles, but the lid just won't budge. It's like the jar has a mind of its own. Fear not, because the internet has a solution for that. Opening a jar with a shoe. Yes, you heard that right, a shoe. Yes, you heard that right. It sounds bizarre, but apparently it works. Apparently all you need is a sturdy shoe and a little bit of force, the kind of shoe you might use for running or hiking. So, here's how it's supposed to work. You take your shoe, preferably one with a good grip, and place the jar lid inside the heel area. Make sure it's snug. Then, while firmly holding onto the jar, you hit the bottom of the shoe against a wall at a downward angle. The impact should do the trick. The impact is supposed to loosen the seal, making the jar easy peasy to open. No more struggling. For this experiment, we've got a jar of pickles that's been sealed tighter than Fort Knox. Seriously, it's like they don't want us to get to the pickles. I'm gonna grab my trusty sneaker, sorry shoe, and let's see if this actually works. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Sound of banging, grunting, and potential pickle jar destruction. Let's hope we don't end up with a mess. Chapter 3 T-shirt makeover magic? Okay, next up we're diving into the world of fashion with a 5-minute craft that promises to revamp your wardrobe. Have you ever tie-dyed a shirt using hair dye? Me neither. But apparently it's a thing and people swear by it. They say it's a cheaper, easier alternative to traditional tie-dye kits. So, today, we're putting that theory to the test. We've got a plain white t-shirt that's about as exciting as watching paint dry. We're gonna try to give it a vibrant makeover using nothing but hair dye, rubber bands, and some good old-fashioned elbow grease. The instructions are pretty simple: twist, tie, and dye. Let's get this tie-dye party started. Chapter 4. Ice Cream Hack or Epic Meltdown. Alright, it's time to address the elephant, or rather, the melted ice cream puddle, in the room. We've all experienced the heartbreak of watching our favorite frozen treat turn into a sticky mess. We've all been there. You bring home a tub of your favorite ice cream, only to find it frozen solid. It's like a block of ice and you wonder if you'll ever get to enjoy it. You try to scoop it, but it's like trying to chip away at concrete. Frustrating, right? It feels like you need a chisel instead of a spoon. Well, the internet has a solution for that too, the hot spoon ice cream hack. This trick promises to save your dessert and your sanity. Apparently, if you dip a metal spoon in hot water and then use it to scoop your ice cream, it'll glide through like a hot knife through butter. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? No more arm workouts just to enjoy a bowl of dessert. Imagine the joy of effortlessly scooping your favorite flavor. This hack actually seems pretty legit. It's simple, quick, and doesn't require any special tools. Heat makes things melt, so it makes sense that a hot spoon would make scooping ice cream a breeze. The science behind it is sound. We've got a tub of rock-hard ice cream that's been chilling in the freezer for hours. It's the perfect candidate for this experiment. We're gonna grab a metal spoon, give it a hot water bath, and see if this hack is the real deal or just a recipe for disappointment. Stay tuned to find out if we have a new favorite trick or just another internet myth. Chapter 5. And the winner is... Okay, we've put these 5-minute crafts through the ringer and it's time to crown our champion. We've seen some epic fails, some surprising successes, and everything in between. But only one hack can reign supreme. The shoe jar opener? Total bust. Not only did it not open the jar, but I think I might have actually dented the wall. The tie-dye t-shirt? Well, let's just say it's got a certain abstract charm. And the hot spoon ice cream hack? This one actually worked surprisingly well. The hot spoon glided through the ice cream like a dream, making perfect scoops every time. No more battling with a frozen brick of dessert. So there you have it, folks. The hot spoon ice cream hack is the clear winner of today's 5-minute craft challenge. Outro subscribe for more epicness. So, what have we learned today? Well, for starters, not all 5-minute crafts are created equal. Some are total duds, while others can actually make your life a little bit easier. If you want to see more crazy challenges, hilarious fails, and mind-blowing wins, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, always be down to try something new, even if it involves a shoe and a jar of pickles.